Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 30th, and this is my PM recap for gold. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, gold, I mean, it did eventually make that impulsive move up that I was predicting this morning. I was saying that possibly this is like a WXY or something because it looks like three waves. It looks like three waves. Potentially this is going to be one up, three down, and then possibly one up for like a WXY pattern, which a WXY is a 333 pattern. And then I still think it's a better chance it's going to go to one of these three Fibonacci levels and potentially end up continuing the downtrend. But I do see the possibility that this is like a wave four, and then it goes up and makes a wave five, and this is like a three, four, five of wave three. That is definitely likely. And another thing we need to keep an eye out for is to confirm that this really is going up to one of these higher Fibonacci levels. We definitely need to see a break of structure, which we do not have yet. If for some reason it doesn't break structure, it starts making engulfing moves to the downside, we have to be careful. It could just go down and take out these lows before it decides to go up. So keep an eye, as always, on your break of structure level. Notice how it breaks structure, whether it rejects structure or like makes a nice impulsive move past structure. That is going to tell you a lot about whether you're looking at a real turn or not. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.